Wait a second. 33333, hashtag 33333. It's trending. I have to tell you guys a story. I'm going to try to do this in 3 minutes. I really want to do it in 3 minutes. It's about my husband's conviction and how things have kind of come together for us. And it's a really creepy story of threes. And if you don't know me, my husband has been wrongfully convicted the last 22 years. My name is Rebecca, and we are working to get him out. And the three situation is what turned everything around for us, because for the first 17 years of his conviction, we were like just talking to a wall, fighting against a beast we could not even understand how to get past. But once we hit this, it was a game changer. So when I took my business to the next level and I really got it to a six-figure business, my real estate business, after our son went off to college, I was like, okay, who can I hire? What do I need to do to get my husband to the next level? Simultaneously, I had launched a course and sold it out for, and this is not a pitch for anything, but I just want to tell you the story. I had launched a course. I'd always wanted to launch a course on law of attraction and real estate. So I launched a course, Aligned for Realtors, for law of attraction and real estate. And my pricing for that course was $333. Why? Because those are my numbers, right? So I launched that course and I ended up selling out the course. Everything, like, the course was 33 days. Everything was like 33, right? 3333333. So one day I decide to pick up the phone and call an attorney that I had talked to before, but definitely couldn't afford, but I was like just reaching. So I call this attorney and she literally picks up the phone and talks to me for an hour. That does not happen just in general. Attorneys are not that giving. They're very busy and they don't want to talk to people who don't have money, for whatever reason. I mean, I get it. You know what I mean? Whatever. So I pick up the phone and I talk to her for a whole hour. And she tells me about this investigator that she wants me to go and talk to because she thinks the investigator could really help us after hearing everything. And this is a well respected attorney. So she starts giving me the number of the investigator and what are her first three digits of her phone number: 333. I was like, shut the front door. This is crazy. This is like really bananas, right? So I call the investigator. Turns out she used to be a police. What the hell? She was a chief of police, okay, in the neighboring city, and she is impeccable. People respect her. She looked at our case. She took it. I paid her to review the case. She looked at it. She's like, this is a case I will take. She had never taken a wrongful conviction before. And she said, I'm going to take your husband's case. Never taken one before. She read every single, she's the first person ever read every single piece of information. I'm sorry, this is going to go to part two. Sorry, I have to do it.